Welcome to a Python lab. So this one will be video 1.2, which is installation of Python. So if you come to python.org/downloads, you'll find the latest version, which is at this time 3.9.7, and just click on it to download it to wherever you want to take it. Now we'll just whack it in the downloads and let it do its thing. Doesn't take very long to download. Just click on it to install, and let it do its little thing. Doesn't take very long to install, depending on your system. And there it is. It's now installed. So if you come down in the start, and it's got all the Python there recently added, but if you come down to your P, there's your Python, and you can fire up idle, which is the inbuilt little interpreter. So with this, you just come in, new file, and it opens up its inbuilt text editor, so you can create your source code. Now, as we went through in the demonstration on line, we'll do the print and the good old hiss. Okay, so and where's me? No, it's in there. I'll call it hiss and save. So it automatically appends the P.E.1 extension, and click on the run and run module. So your idle shell is executing that code, which was print hiss. So that is the very first little program that we created in the theory session, and now we'll go through the loading of Python into Visual Studio for people that want to use that. Visual Studio has the inbuilt debugger side of things, so it's up to you which one you want to use. And so if you come in to create a new project and scroll all the way down the bottom, you'll get install tools and features. And in the top section of Web and Cloud, Python development, and it uses an older 3.78 as the basis. So just off you go. So if you want to use the latest and greatest, it's idle. If you want to use the interpreter that you're familiar with as a Visual Studio, as my students from the last programming course, we used C# with Visual Studio. So there it is, it's installed. Now, takes a little bit longer. Mine was a shortcut because to actually do the PowerPoint presentation with all the screenshots, I had it already installed, so it was much faster for me to do it in this video than for you. You'll have to wait for it to download and then install. So again, come up to new project and you basically scroll down for the first time looking for the Python applications, which I'm hazarding a guess will be down the bottom somewhere, being the latest library to be added. So there we have all the Pythons. So Python applications, the one you're looking for. I'm just going to click on that and create. And again, create our good little print of his program and our start button to run it, opens the console and runs it. Now that's really tiny, so I'll have to make sure I increase the size of my console window for the next series of videos so that it's readable. Alright folks, fairly short and sweet one. As I said, just going through the basics of making sure you can know where to go to download Python, how quick and easy it is to install, and if you want to continue using Visual Studio for those that just completed the C#, it's very easy to add the new language into Visual Studio, and there we have it. So until next time, it's bye from me.